Musa debate champion, that is Ankunda.
Izoberi empaka za National Teachers Debate Network ezitwire nizihindura ha St. Peters narya omurina wa division omuri Kampala ezibiri zetabirwamu amashomero gari kurenga 37 okwetorora ihanga nibwo zahendera obwo ba parental care bushenyi basinjire kandi basinjireza abana ba primary
medal for being a finalist and a winner. Then we got this trophy for overall winning debate. Then this certificate, the certificate for appreciation and for being the second best.
Ababa banze bazo Omukuhajaana n'amashomero agandi na bwanyuma bahika finals n'ishomero rya Pearl Junior ukurwa mu Bushenyi Omukuhajaana hanshonga ezibezermo kugamba je ukwandika je hamwe n'ibindi.
In any case, you're having this happiness machines. But panel, this is the characterization you received from my first speech. From my first speech, we actually tell you that the cultural histories you are going to be forgetting are these bad cultural histories. Things like ignoring cultural education.
Abwanyuma aba parental care bushenyi nibo barangiye nk'abasingizi ogundi murundi kandi abeegi batungire ebiconco nyamwingi kandi abatugambireho nabo basima abazire babo abo kubikiriza kwetaba mu mpaka ezi kandi bagamba n'ahabuzibu obashangire okuraba omukuhangura empaka ezi.
There's some challenges we faced. We had a very tight competition, like we had schools from the western schools like Pearl. Like it was so competitive, but then with God everything is possible. God helped us.
I got this success. Number one, we prayed. God is the major reason we got this, because if we hadn't prayed, it wouldn't be this way. But also training.
Parents who have allowed us to come here, some parents can say that since their children are this, they should not go for tournaments, that they fear some things, but we thank our parents, like all the debate club that have helped us come here in this competition, and we also thank them for the prayers that they have sent for us.
Abwanyuma tubasize kuba tugambaho na bamwe omubashomesa kandi abo batugambire ngo omwaka ogu Omukuhajaana kubire kuryo kwa Amaani wagerageranisa n'enyuma.
Winning, it feels so good, especially to the fact that you deliver to the community. We are happy for adding to this country, especially the education system.
Abwanyuma hagireheza abakuru kandi aba Kigezi High School babasize ku bana baritana n'aba Uganda Matters na Mugongo Omukuhajaana hanshonga y'enkoresa y'emitimbagano.
I think he was more than particular is that hey, there's a very large error margin, right? In assumption of the fact that given this particular code that we give is wrong and everything, I think given the fact that it's based on your interest and the kind of information you get is then going to be particularly suited or like tailored to a particular interest, right?
We have started to solve social media from operating in certain areas or specific areas unless they stop using algorithmic recommendations.
Bitu na bwanyuma aba Uganda Matters na Mugongo barangirira nk'abasingizi kandi aba Kigezi High School bakwatogwa kabiri. Wanyuma tugambewe na bamwe omubatebekanisa kandi basima beegi abo kwetaba mu mpaka ezi kandi bashaba abazaire okufayo abaana baabo obutakoresa bitokoza bwonko.
Orutaro ruhango muhonga n'uruhango tutangire no mu primary tugese kugambira abana ngo ebitokoza bwonko nibuza kubasisira n'abazire bakimanye ngo nokoresa ebitokoza bwonko nono yorekera abana.
Abasinjo mu mpaka eziraba muri Arusha Tanzania omukwamwenda nibija kurabaho okuza South Africa Pretoria Omukuhajaana n'amashomero okuruga omuri Africa yona. Amashomero nkanyakayojo SS Mbarara bijera SS hamwe n'agandi nago gasinjira emyogo endiijo.